today I'm going to be reviewing the PracMedic Epipen travel case. This is great to store your EpiPens because the shell is made out of this really nice premium polyester. It's also fabric and water resistant, so it's great for travel. You know, if you're going to be hanging it off a book bag or something, if it's raining, it's really going to protect your medicines and really keep everything nice and organized. It also comes with this really nice zipper that's a YKK zipper that is very smooth and durable, so you're not going to get like your zipper jammed or anything. When you open it up, this is what the case looks like. It has this nice thick insulation in here that's going to protect your meds and keep them nice and put. It has little pockets here where you can store your EpiPen or inhalers or whatever you need, and it's great for travel because everything stays nicely put and it's not like, you know, jumbling up in there. It also comes with this steel tag which has a dual purpose. It's not like rubber or plastic or anything, so it's really gonna last you. It also comes with this lifetime lost and found service that's powered by Return Me, so if you were ever to lose your bag, you're able to hopefully track it down and get it returned to you. So that's really great, especially for travel and, you know, important things like your meds. It comes with an ID number as well, so it's great. The whole design is very compact and stylish, so it's great for travel. You can put it in your suitcase, or you can put it, you know, hang it on your backpack or something. It's not going to take up too much room. It also comes with these two bifolds here that give you some more information on how to use the EpiPen, and also the OVQ, which those two are the most common types of Epiphrane auto injectors, so it gives you a little more information on that. Also, when you purchase one of these bags, the proceeds will go back to charities that support food allergy communities, which is great because, you know, some of the funds will be going to help and support those type of charities. Thank you so much for watching.